thing is the erase command. So what are the various modes which we can use? So here we have just taken an example of a circle, how we can able to delete the circle. So there are various options. In this one is window and the other one is the crossing. So our main intention is how we will be able to erase the entities. But hitherto what we are used to do is command is erase, select objects all. If I say command erase, I will say select objects all. So all the entities which will go to be removed. But I want only some portion of the entity, from portions of the drawings, I want to delete. Say for example, if I say erase, now you observe the cursor here. We have the cursor, we are going to say erase, select objects. So now we can see the cursor has changed to pick box. So here I want to remove only the circle entities. If I want to remove the circle entity, go to that particular entity, that is circle. You just click on that. So then what happens? That will go to be highlighted. So then is set one found. Then I want to go for this. I will select this. Again I will go for this. I will select this. And again I want to select this. Just select this. And say the number of entities which is been considered is 4. So you can see 4 found. So you will delete this. So this is by using the pick box method. So we can see that pick box. So you just select on that circle and you just click over it. Now suppose, now the next what I want to use, say for example, I will say erase. Now I want to delete these 1, 2, 3 lines. I can use the pick box. Or suppose I want to use, say for example, I will go to select like this. The moment when you try to click, now it will just click somewhere on the space. So automatically it will go to activate. So it will try to fetch for the entity, but entity is not being able to found. So now this will automatically turn out into a window. So that means it is trying to fetch the entities which is nearby that particular portion. Now as I drag the mouse, you can see it is the opposite corner, it is asking which is the opposite corner, that is this one, is where the intersection of the 2 lines of the cursor, which will try to. This is the window option. When you try to do that, you can see none of them will going to be get selected, because if you want to select the window, the entire entity has to be within the window. If I want to say for example, I am going to select here and I will select this, you can see that circle will going to be get selected, because the entire circle has to be within that particular window. It will going to select this. So similarly here I will going to select this, and then I will going to select this, then I will going to select this. So here what happens, it will not only select the window circle, but also the node will going to be selected. So that is because you have the point. So that is the reason why it will go to select both. So once you do that, you just click on this. So this is how the window options will going to work. So in the window option, make sure that all the entities are selected within that particular window. Then only the window option, the entire entity will going to be deleted. Now again I will go to use the erase command. Now we will try to click on this. Now if I try to take it into the left to right, it will going to becomes the window. If I try to use it from the point, if I try to move it towards the left side, then you can see that rectangle will going to appear. So that becomes the crossing. So if you see here, the entities which are crossing the window is also getting selected here. And then the entity which is totally within that particular crossing window will also be get selected. And then you just click on this. So automatically that will going to be removed totally. So then here, these are the various forms in which I will be able to select this all the 3. So these are the modes. Now the one more option which we have, suppose if I have the erase. Now I will try to select this. By then we will decide, yes, I want to retain this. So then we can go for the remove option. I will type R and then enter. Then it will remove objects from the selection. So I don't want to select, I don't want to remove this. So I will just click over that. So automatically it will go into retains. Then later on I will go to decide. So now I will want to select this. Again you go for the add option. You just type A and enter. So then you will going to get the select objects mode. Again you select this and then you press enter. So it will going to be removed. So this is how you will be able to use the add option and also the remove option from the selection. Now I will say erase. I will say select objects. I will say all. or also all can be used, but when you want. Otherwise, you just click on this and you take entire thing within the window and then you delete this. Suppose if all the options which I want to erase it completely, then within the window, then I will say erase. You just go to the select objects, take it entire thing within the window, and then you just click on this, the other window or other corner. So, and you just press enter key, it will going to be removed. So this is how